Well, there's a lot of history in Pecos. You know, it's the home of the world's first rodeo, and there's a lot of great history in this community and with this school district. In PBTISD, our facilities averaged 65 years of age before we were able to pass a bond in May of 2021. And one of the first things that we needed to do was create some better efficiencies with our maintenance department, child nutrition, and technology, and get them a proper space where they could function out of. So we built a state-of-the-art warehouse for our child nutrition department, warehouse and technology, office spaces for them, and then we also added our DEAP school to that facility as well too. And so that was really a great plus for the district, and we're excited to be able to open that facility up.
Having a place for us to actually test, fix, or even just develop changes everything for us, because it allows us to be more efficient and just a little bit more functionally proactive for taking care of the district.
The new Mata Service Center is a purpose-designed facility, so it has spaces designed to house a maintenance facility. We have individual spaces for our tradesmen, we have shop spaces, we have adequate warehouse storage, we can centralize our operations, and then hopefully make just a more streamlined process to take care of this district.
We're going to be able to actually house all of our food in one location with our offices attached, so instead of having to drive across town to see, do we still have that? Do we need to order more? We have it right there in front of us. We're able to pull all of the 18-wheelers that were dropping off our food to our schools out of the neighborhoods and into one drop-off location that we're able to then take smaller vans out to drop off the food to the kitchens, so that we don't have 18-wheelers right there where our kids are at.
What we did was we preserved Rotary Field. Rotary Field was donated by the local Rotarian chapter back in 1929. And now, today, in 2022, we open up the third generation of Eagle Stadium at Rotary Field. It's just going to be a great facility with build a lot of great memories for our students and our community.
When you go out there as an athlete and you see the support that the community is put forth with passing the bond to build the new facilities in the new schools, you just got to feel like, hey, you're appreciated here as an athlete and a student.
I think it's gonna bring a lot more energy. The stadium is bigger, a lot of more people are gonna come, and that's just gonna make a lot of energy for us to be excited to play for everybody in Pecos.
Being able to practice on the grid and then go, all right, we're going to move into the stadium. It takes all the headache out of trying to get everything to the field on game time, ready to go for every rehearsal, contest, performance.
Now that the stadium's built, we get to practice in here instead of just being on the grid with like the asphalt.
Oh yeah, it gives us like a different feeling, and knowing where to like memorize our spots and makes our formations more like aligned and better.
We have a lot of Eagle pride in Pecos. This new facility will bring that pride to a whole new level, and a lot of great memories to be made in this new facility, and to just expand on that overall Eagle pride for this community. And we're excited to be able to do that.